I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Vanguard account. First, you will need to choose the right account type for your financial goals, whether it's a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or a general brokerage account. Next, gather your personal information, including your social security number and employer details if applicable. Finally, decide on your initial funding method, which could be a bank transfer or a rollover from another retirement plan. Once your account type is selected, it's time to fund it. The easiest way is often to link your bank account for electronic funds transfers, allowing for quick and convenient deposits. Alternatively, you can initiate a direct rollover from an existing 401k or other retirement plan. For larger contributions, mailing a check or arranging a wire transfer are also viable options to get your money invested. With funds in your account, the next step is choosing your investments. Vanguard offers a wide array of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which are excellent for broad market exposure. For a simpler approach, consider target date funds that automatically adjust their asset allocation over time. Remember to diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to manage risk effectively. After setting up your investments, ongoing management is key. Consider establishing automatic investments to contribute a consistent amount, perhaps $50 or $100, on a regular basis. Review your portfolio's performance at least once a year to ensure it aligns with your objectives. As your financial situation or goals evolve, be prepared to adjust your asset allocation accordingly to stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.